Okay, people, I hope you're happy. I am playing the Forest for you. I am not. I just want to show you the basics of everything and see if you want me to play more of this. This is my base that I have up already. As you see, it's not that pacificated, I would just say. We'll just call it unpacificated. I should take a meat. I'll take some meat. I will take some meat. Why can you not grab the meat? You have no meat. Thank you. Fine. And this is dry, so let's see. Draw sap, see, I don't know how to kill one of these creatures. Do you know how to do it? How do you do it? I don't know how you do this. I'm gonna break my game. Okay. So, I have a bunch of arrows, but they're in a quiver. I have about a few normal arrows. I have 2 boos left. I have a bunch of spoiled meat, which I should cook at this point. Let me see. Oh, super water, finally. Blueberry bushes. This is my simple average garden, as you can't tell. There's loads of blueberries. I'm also running out of space for these. Don't question me when this happens. Okay, can't remove blueberries. It's a bit laggy, okay? It's still in early access. Like, SCP, Secret Lab. That's also in early access. I also understand. Need dog stick hunts. We're just gonna eat these, or they're raw at this point. You're not dying, fine. Can't wait until my friends get this game so we can all play together. I built my base right near a pond. I still need to find more bunnies. Oh, blocks in their feet. Oh, I put the max in there. Looks like how I have absolutely no logic there. I am full on, like I said at this one. I have... Oh, I forgot to light this back on. I forgot to craft this back to a fire axe. Right near here, it really says a pot ready for it. I have one. I have arrows over here, which I shouldn't grab right now. I should keep it there for them. As you notice, there is a whole bunch of arrows there, which is good. So since there's a whole bunch of arrows that are literally right next to it from here, might as well just climb up here and show you what I have up here. It's not much. It's not much, people. It's not much. But it's something. And I put all their arrows back. I have absolutely no fire arrows. If I fall down there without hurting myself. I think I could take in about 25 arrows. Yeah, I was right. I'm going to do that there. For sure. And since I really only equipped my fire arrows modern arrows are better than our arrows, as I just found out. And give me a second, I have to do something. I'm back. Now I'm gonna collect all the arrows. The arrows seem to regenerate themselves. I think 9 arrows should do. These are modern arrows, crafted arrows. These ones do a lot of damage. I think they're the best arrows in the game compared to fire and poison, but they're the best in normal arrows. There's also the modded bow. I'm using the crafted bow. He does not know how to use his axe when cutting down a tree. He thinks slamming the wood, so like karate chopping a piece of wood, gonna break a tree, and I guess in this game it does. Logic may work in this game, but it won't work in any other. I think why it just lags more is because I'm recording this. It's not very used to recording. I don't think this has a recording software. A pouch is used for collecting berries compared to eating them. Very efficient. It's better to use this. These are poison, which you can use with poison arrows. Or turn this into a poison axe. I've done that with my spear. You can also just use a mushroom. It'll deal poison damage. 1 hit. There you go. That's it. I also have my incendiary spear. Bunny! I can't do it! I can't catch a bunny over my dead body. There's also some cannibals which will just come up to me, and then just walk like a normal human away. But then come back to me, and then walk normal. Like I know they see me, but they, don't act in a aggressive format. So I'm just showing you the forest. Put in the comments if you want me to play more of this. You probably don't, you just want me to spam a bunch of Zombie Night Terror. If I need a different Sigma, now leaders will not do that, but people with simple melee weapons will obey me occasionally. But leaders will not obey you over your dead body. Yeah, I think that's just it. I just like to wander the beaches, compared to just standing all day at home, waiting for a mutant to pop up. Now, I like to attack them from my treehouse, but I don't really think Armsy is a good thing, since he can break trees. So, no thank you when he's here. As you see here, there's nocturnal cannibals. As you see me right now, I am slowly gonna walk away. And completely envisioned. Oh yeah, alligators, they just give you 4 lizard skin, no alligator skin. Which is good for making self-armor. I know, you haven't saw any fighting, but, you know, cannibals, don't really like to show up a lot. I'm gonna pause this and go and return a second later, and it's back. That's nice. Let's see if I can find more alcohol so I can make a, more flaming arrows. You could just put 50 before and just get 50 flaming arrows, and now you can only put 5 or 10 and get. Then you have to use cloth and alcohol, or you just need to use alcohol. This way, there's computer chips up there. I'm gonna hurt. Okay, there's a double with the. You idiot! What are you thinking of doing? pick up a flare, and then you instantly predict. You are not using a flare. We have 9 flares, and I have a flare gun, which is used. I keep forgetting! This is not my treehouse. I cannot do that. Oh, goodness. I need to remember I have to climb down these ropes, or else I get hurt really badly. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Pills. Just find me pills. Meds. Who's home meds? There was also a tennis ball, but you just throw those. A bird. No bird. Birds drop, feathers, but you need to catch those feathers. Pretty sure there's also ducks in this game. I haven't found one. Nope, just have modern arrows. Which can be used to also make fires, but they're not going to be modern fire arrows, they're just fire arrows. Somehow they degrade themselves to a crafted arrow, somehow. Because that makes common sense. These are also berries. They're poisonous, I don't want to hurt eating them. So if you do want me to play this game, please tell me, and I will do that. But if you want me to stick to Zombie Night at Terror, I will. You know, just trying to get an idea of what you guys want me to play. I just have Fallout 4, but that lags a lot even without recording. I mean, I kind of made it better, so it won't lag as much. But since it lags a bit more with recording, I don't want it just to be frame and pause for 5 seconds frame. I mean, it'll probably just be frame and pause for half second every 10 minutes. I don't know. I'm not good at comprehending all this stuff. If you hear meowing in the background, that's just my kitty. To collect the mushroom. Oh, I can't carry, no wonder why. No, I want APC, of course. Only if that was sided. Only if that was outside. I didn't fix it. No, I didn't get that. What happened to the mushroom? More money. Which is just used for in-person fire time. I am back with a whole bunch of sticks. Stuffed on sticks. Stuffed on pills. The pill department. The alcohol department. My snack department. My beverage department. Right here. There's one strategy I know how to do. Aim upwards, run at it, and constantly deal damage at it. They can't move, but occasionally acts like an idiot and slams, because once you attack them, they pause for a second, so if you keep attacking them, they'll keep pausing and won't be able to move, and you can simply just kill them. I'm also running out of meat for my dry bag. I mean, I have infinite supplies fish, and water. I mean, the water there is, unpurified water, but, you know, it's not gonna kill me, obviously. I swear, it's greater too that I'm gonna hurt myself. Because that's the most, that's the most stupidest idea, but, oh. Stop spawning here. I swear, this thing is just a blueberry farm. Where's aloe vera? Do I not have aloe vera? Oh my goodness. It's freaking everywhere. I don't want you. I have no sympathy. Which I no armsy. Which is good. I feel like I need to face the wall down there.